RapidPipeline's decimation action allows users to significantly reduce the polygon count of their models, making them much more performance-friendly for real-time use. In this example, we are working with a 3D model of a shoe that has about 140,000 faces. This is a rather high poly count for a single asset, especially if it was to be used as part of a larger scene. While it is possible to manually reduce the total face count of the model using a 3D software of your choice, this is a rather slow, repetitive and time-consuming task. With RapidPipeline's Decimate mesh action, it is possible to skip that manual work entirely. Simply select the model and adjust the decimation settings to suit your specific asset. The face target setting allows you to define the target number of faces, while deviation target sets the maximum deviation or difference the output mesh can have from the input. It is also possible to use a screen size target. This means that the decimation of your mesh will be calculated based on the given display size of the screen in pixels. Finally, you can choose to preserve your model's vertex normals as well as topological features such as holes during the decimation process. Once you have your desired settings, simply hit run. After processing, the model face count drops from 140,000 faces down to 50,000 faces, reducing performance demand without compromising the visual quality. The Decimate action only simplifies the geometry while preserving the model's materials, UVs and textures. It is also possible to create a new UV and bake material properties while decimating by using the Decimate and Bake Atlas action instead.
Optimize your models fast, flexibly and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for Unreal Engine. Try it for free or chat with our human team directly on our website.